Alright, so it had just pumped out and probably rinsing. Let me see. Alright, so it is. Oh yeah, it has been. It has ran. Alright, let's keep it running. And yeah, so this is turning. It's a timer. Alright, so it just cycled off. And I'm just gonna wait here. I'm gonna disobey New York City and lean on the door. I'm gonna put a sign that says, "Do not lean on door." Eventually. I think the water heater is running right now. What is it like filling up? Oh yeah, it's filling up. There's the supply hose. Yeah, let me set these up. This is the vacuum I use during construction. It's going in the dishwasher next. Yeah, here's the hose, but I'll demonstrate the sink. Hot water. Cold water. Yeah, we had to put a little bit of plumber's putty right there. Stopped again. It started cycling again. I think it's rinsing now. So, here, let me put the hose down deeper for a second. There we go. There, that'll do it for now. I use the rainbow. You can hear it all the way from over here. It's the same decibel. That's fixed, so it will be returned soon, but I'm waiting on a part for it. Now this is for the dust buster. Right here, the dust buster. Clean up right here. There we go. So it's running right now, so I'll let you know when it's done and I'll put the parts in there. Oh, and I also got to put these parts for the display of the Dyson. Here's an old Dyson G7 Cyclone that I'm going to put in the dishwasher, and it's going to go on display right up there, I think. I'm just going to set this right here so I don't forget. So now we have, I'm going to put it on normal wash when it's done. Heated dry is on, so I might put the heated dry off so this doesn't melt. And for these too. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, so we will see you on the next video.